Hello, good day traders, beautiful and wonderful traders. Today I want to be guiding us on 4 usual steps that every professional trader usually takes. We do not disregard these steps for if you want to make profits, if you want to go to the market and come out profitable. You must take these steps. And here I have listed the steps for us all to be familiar with them. Over here, I have the first one, which is mark out your institutional reference points on the higher time frame. This simply means you trading on time frames. For me, I have two basic ways I trade whenever I want to use a time frame trading method. I mark out my higher time frame to be the 4 hours and my lower time frame to be on the 15 minutes. On a very hectic day, I want to go on a very lengthy trade, on a whole trade. I will mark out my higher time frame on the 1 week and my lower time frame to be the 4 hours. So whatever you are doing as a trader on a time frame, you should be having your higher time frame and your lower time frame. So over here, number one says mark out your institutional reference point on your higher time frame. It is very important you mark out your institutional reference point on a higher time frame. 2. Look out for a change in character on the lower time frame. This simply means whenever you've marked out your higher time frame institutional reference points, you go over to the lower time frame and watch for a change in character. A change in character that will lead to the trend you are approaching. If you are looking out to trade a downtrend, after marking your institutional reference point, you look out on the lower time frame for a change in character that is towards the uptrend to a downtrend. That gives you more confidence in your trading. Thirdly, after the change of character has taken place on the lower time frame, look out for another institutional reference point where price will likely go to. Now, this involves maybe if you are trading with an order block or a fair value gap or a breaker block or mitigation block, whatever it is on the lower time frame, look out for price approaching that institutional reference point if it is a breaker block or the fair value gap. Thirdly and fourthly, the last tip, wait for price to retest that point, then make your entry. This is the final step. Once you have your trade set up in this manner, you have no double thoughts on it. Even if the trade doesn't go your way, you know that you made effort doing this. So I'll be going over to the chart to show us some examples that would look and make sense to us. Now, according to the rule number 2, look out for a change in character. Now, this will be based on the trend. Initially, we are having a downtrend on our higher time frame, and you wouldn't want to trade against the trend. So we look out for a change in character, a sudden change from an uptrend to a downtrend. And over here, we have the market going down and retracing up back. We have the market retracing up back, and we watch for a change in character from the uptrend bound to a downtrend. So from here we have a break in structure. We have a break in structure. We have a break in structure telling us it's an uptrend. Over here, we do not have a break in structure as this line didn't cross the body of the candle. So we can't call this a break in structure, rather we had a swing down and a change in character from this point. We have a change in character from this point. I will mark it out so that we can see that clearly. So after the change in character, the third rule states that On that lower time frame, after the change in character, mark out another institutional reference point. So over here, I can see another order block after we experienced a change in character. As you can see, an order block was formed at this point, and we are going to wait for price to return. As we can see, we had a swing down and the price action retesting this order block. At this point, you make your entry from here, and you balance your stop loss to be around here, not somewhere too high or too low to your order block on your initial or lower time frame, and your take profit will be as high as the last low at this point. You can see over here you have a target of 1:8 trade entry, and as you can see, the trade went our way over here. So if you want to trade as a professional, you have to watch out for these 4 basic steps that all professionals look out for. Thank you guys for watching.